Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Today we'll be going around the Workplace Cafe here in Banawa, and of course we'll be also checking out the rates, the food that they offer, and many more. So go along with us. I'll be with May and Yi of My Food Mercado and Miss Hannah to show you everything that Workplace Cafe can offer. Let's go!
So here is our reception area for customers. We have pastries and merchandise. So here we have our small conference room. So you can use our whiteboard, and this is good for 6 packs and 380 per hour. So this includes LCD projector as well, and use of power outlets, fiber Wi-Fi, and complimentary drink. So they're free to do their meetings here or virtual meetings as well.
380 for 1 hour, good
Yes.
for 6 people.
Yes, correct. This is good for virtual meetings alone. So if ever they're in a online class, they can use cubicle rooms. So it has acoustic soundproof book for each cubicle. So here it's, I think it's 6 capacity.
Can we go in?
Yes.
You have this also in Banawa?
Yes.
Cubicle room? Yeah.
The one left side sa contact or like square boxes. Now, good for individual person now. And we have our lockers as well. If there are monthly customers that gets our monthly rate, they will have a free locker. So they can put their personal belongings as well.
What's a community board?
Community board is for customers who wants to post their calling card numbers for their business as well. So here in our
Wow.
place, we have a lot of different professions that go here. And also since they have like own business or small businesses, they can post it there so other customers can see it as well and inquire for their business.
It's nice you support the people who
Yeah.
work here.
Also the freelancers. So that's our community board. And we post our location. So as of now, we have 2 branches, Banawa and Jamestown. So currently, we have an upcoming Mactan branch
Wow.
soon. Hopefully this year. But we're still very excited, so it's still on the way. Okay. So here for Workplace Cafe design, we included the professions that we got.
Cater to?
Yeah, we cater to. So which profession are you?
Marami.
Nakadali ako.
Nasi may andham.
Alright, so here's our napping stations. If ever they're working from midnight to morning, or even in the daytime, if they're tired from their work as well, they can have a nap there.
Power nap is very essential.
Yeah, so here is our our typical type still tables. So this is for 30 packs capacity as well. So every seat is designated with a power outlet, so they won't have a problem with charging their phones or laptops as well.
Can we look at the other room?
Alright, so
And then-
here we have our big conference room. Still inclusive of whiteboard and LCD projector. But for our capacity, it's still 6 packs for the usage. Then per hour is 380 still. So this is included na for their complimentary drink, which is iced tea or brewed coffee. Alright. So for our hourly rate, we have 50 pesos for the first hour, and for the succeeding hours would be 35 pesos. This is inclusive with power outlets, fast fiber Wi-Fi, bike racks, free water, and also complimentary drink with your choice of iced tea and brewed coffee. But if you're gonna stay longer, we also have the what we call day pass, which helps you stay 24 hours from 8 a.m. up to 8 a.m. in the next morning. So this is an all-access come and go type of rate, and it's only for 280 pesos. So they will have a 1 round of drink as well, brewed coffee or iced tea. But if you're planning to work like daily in Workplace Cafe, we also have what we call monthly rate, which is 5,500. This is inclusive of power outlets, fiber Wi-Fi, bike racks, locker for your personal belongings, and also unlimited brewed coffee or iced tea. So you can come and go anytime, and it has all access with our Banawa and Mandawi branch. So that's it for our
Do you allow
rates.
reservations?
For reservations, we only have that for our conference rooms. Yes, but for if you're gonna stay for like hourly or daily or monthly, no need to reserve. You can come as a walk-in customer.
Okay, so not so first come first serve,
Yes,
of course,
first come, first
because
serve
it might be
basis.
full.
Yeah, like in Mandawi yesterday. But sometimes if you'll just go early, you can still grab a seat.
Okay.
Yes.
Kindly invite our viewers to come and stay, work
Yes,
here.
they can be productive here at Workplace. So each seating, that's what we really emphasize. We have power outlets and fast fiber Wi-Fi, so they are free to do like virtual meetings or even meetings in our big conference room, and even do their studies here, or even just chill, like Netflix and chill. That's our fiber Wi-Fi.
invite our viewers.
Yes. Visit Workplace Cafe. We have Mandawi and Banawa branch. As of now, upcoming is our Mactan branch. So hopefully we'll be opening this year. We're really excited to see you at Mactan branch. Hopefully you can visit as well for our grand opening. There will be like promos in our grand opening. But as of now, for our promo, we have the piece of stay, which is you just need to like and share any post of Workplace Cafe in Facebook or IG, and then just avail our one-hand crafted beverage, and you'll just
Wow.
pay for the one-hand crafted beverage and just 1 peso for 24 hours stay. So, which is really a good deal.
And which social media accounts?
We have an official page, which is the Workplace Cafe Facebook page, and also IG, Instagram. You can follow us at the Workplace _ cafe. So follow us and you can check on what promo we have. Yesterday we have a physician's day promo for women doctors. They can have unlimited good coffee, but yeah, that was yesterday. It was only for a 1-day promo. But here in Banawa, it's February 1 to 5 for the piece of stay, so they can still avail.
So you have active promos every now and then. So
Yes.
they should be following your
Yes,
page.
so
right?
follow Workplace Cafe in Facebook and IG. So to check on our promos as well and the updates for our Mactan branch.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
What's your family name, Miss Hannah?
Yes, I'm Hannah Bornales.
Bornales.
Yes.
Salamat.
You're welcome.
So guys, there you have it. If you're looking for a place to work, you can check out Workplace Cafe here in Banawa. Thank you guys. Bye!